Are you over 60 and still waking up at night clutching your legs in pain? If so, this isn't just a normal part of aging. It's a warning sign that most people are ignoring. Cramps aren't random, they are messages from your nervous system, signaling that something isn't right, often due to what you're eating or not eating. What you put into your body might be silently stealing your strength, robbing your sleep, and making every step feel heavier. But here's the good news, you can reverse it naturally. In the next few minutes, you'll discover 3 powerful foods that not only stop cramps, but also rebuild your leg strength, restore circulation, and provide your body with the minerals it's begging for. Stay tuned until the end because the final food is the one that 90% of seniors overlook, and it could change the way your legs feel within just a few days. Honest food. Avocados, the hidden powerhouse. Let's start with the first one, avocados. For years, avocados were underrated. They weren't considered sweet or flashy, and back when low-fat diets ruled, they were left out of the conversation. But now, science is catching up to what many traditional diets have known for centuries. Avocados are a medicinal food, especially for older adults. They're not just trendy or great for toast. They're a nutritional powerhouse designed to soothe the body, balance the nervous system, and restore what time has slowly taken away. When you're over 60, muscle function and nerve integrity become more fragile. Your body loses potassium and magnesium faster, which leads to muscle cramps, spasms, and those painful twitches in your calves. These aren't just random events, they're warning signs. Your nervous system is signaling that your electrolyte levels are running low. Here's where avocados come in. One avocado contains more potassium than a banana, nearly 700 mg, without the sugar spike. Bananas are helpful, yes, but they can cause a flood of glucose in your bloodstream, which can trigger insulin surges, especially in seniors who are less active. Avocados, on the other hand, deliver potassium wrapped in healthy fats, monounsaturated fats that stabilize blood sugar, reduce inflammation, and nourish your heart. But that's not all. Magnesium, the unsung hero of muscle health, is often deficient in most diets. Without enough magnesium, muscles stay tense. Your back feels tight. Your legs feel heavy. Even your heart can beat irregularly because magnesium helps regulate your cardiac rhythm. But avocados contain both magnesium and potassium in a ratio that your body actually understands. They're a natural, powerful remedy for cramps. What's more, avocados are anti-inflammatory. They contain phytosterols and antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin, which protect against oxidative stress, the slow damage caused by time and environmental factors. These compounds support nerve health, particularly the nerves responsible for balance and coordination. So if you've been feeling a bit off balance, it's not just getting older, it's often a nutritional imbalance, and avocados can help restore that. One food, sweet potatoes, a natural electrolyte restorer. Next up, we have sweet potatoes. These vibrant orange beauties are more than just a side dish. They're one of the most overlooked sources of deep cellular nourishment for older adults. Sweet potatoes are rich in magnesium, potassium, and calcium, the 3 minerals that keep your muscles moving, your nerves firing, and your body stable as you age. When muscles cramp, whether it's in your calves at night, your feet during a walk, or your back after sitting for too long, it's often due to electrolyte depletion. Your cells need a delicate balance of magnesium to relax, potassium to contract smoothly, and calcium to send the nerve signals that coordinate everything. If one or more of these minerals are off, you'll feel it. Pain, stiffness, twitching, and weakness. But sweet potatoes deliver these minerals in harmony, inside a food your body recognizes and easily digests. Unlike sugar-laden foods, Sweet potatoes provide complex carbohydrates that break down slowly, giving you sustained energy without the crash. And that's critical as we age, because our insulin response weakens and managing blood sugar becomes harder. Sweet potatoes sit lower on the glycemic index compared to white potatoes, meaning they give you long-lasting energy without the roller coaster of blood sugar spikes. Third food, pumpkin seeds, the cramp-fighting super snack. Last but certainly not least, let's talk about pumpkin seeds. Small, simple, yet incredibly powerful. These tiny seeds, often overlooked and thrown away after carving pumpkins, are packed with magnesium, a mineral responsible for over 300 biochemical processes in your body, including muscle contraction, nerve transmission, and deep sleep. As we age, magnesium levels drop, often due to stress, medications, and even coffee. When magnesium is too low, you'll feel tight calves, restless legs, or those sudden spasms in your feet at 2 a.m. But just a small handful of pumpkin seeds, about 1 ounce, can provide up to 40% of your daily magnesium needs. And unlike pills or supplements that may not be absorbed well, these seeds offer bioavailable minerals, meaning your body knows exactly what to do with them. But pumpkin seeds offer even more. They contain zinc, which is essential for immune health, nerve repair, and hormone regulation. As we get older, zinc becomes harder to absorb, but it's crucial for keeping our nervous system calm and responsive. Alongside zinc, pumpkin seeds are rich in antioxidants like vitamin E, which helps reduce cellular stress, especially in your muscles and joints. Wrap up, empowering the body through food. So, how do you eat these powerhouse foods? Simple. A half avocado a day is enough to restore key minerals without overloading on calories. Sweet potatoes can be roasted with turmeric and paired with healthy fats like avocado or olive oil. And pumpkin seeds? They are easy to add to any meal or snack, from oatmeal to smoothies, or just as a crunchy snack on their own. These aren't just foods, they're tools. Tools to fight cramps, fatigue, brain fog, and frailty. They're real, functional, bioavailable nutrition that your body can absorb gently, just as nature intended. Remember, aging doesn't have to mean feeling stiff or drained. In many cases, it's not age that's causing the issues, it's a lack of deep nutrition. And these foods offer exactly that, deep nourishment that restores your body from the inside out. The next time your legs cramp up, don't just rub them, rebuild them from the inside. Reach for real food that restores. Reach for what's been growing in the ground for thousands of years, waiting to support you now. Because when you feed your body the nutrients it needs, it will thank you with strength, steadier energy, and clearer focus. Your legs don't just carry you from place to place. They represent your independence, the freedom to move, to walk, to stand tall. So don't wait for things to get worse. Start now. Take charge of your health with the power of real food. Because sometimes healing doesn't come in a bottle. It comes from a sweet orange root, a green fruit, or a small seed. Choose strength today. Your future self will thank you.